Hey Knuckleheads, this is Armando from Fire Rescue Group. Talk about the UEBSS Universal Emergency Breathing Support System. It's located usually on the left side on at least of the pack. It could be on the shoulder for all versions or it could be on the left side, no matter which brand is it. Remember, we have a male quick connection and female quick connection. This is also called the body breathing system. It's approximately 6 feet long, the cable, and is of course following NFPA 1981. It's all talk about is open circuit on the SCBA for emergency services. The procedure is easy and simple. All you have to do is grab one end from each pack and connect the male with the female. Usually you have 2 connections. It doesn't matter where you go, you connect it. It's a quick, easy connection. Take less than a couple seconds. Remember, this will equalize the air on the bottles. And once you connect it, the only way you disconnect is out of the IDLH so you can be safe and go back home. This is usually used on REIT operations or firefighter rescues. Okay? So, like I said, it's on the left side. Remember, practice. This is Fire Rescue Group. Like, subscribe, all that shit that you need to do. And I'll see you next one.